I am Amar Second. I'm going to show you how to use error messages that are based on Visual Basic codes in Excel. Here on my example, I have a person's name and age. I created an error message that would show up if I choose age that's below 18 and over 100. So let me show you how I did it. First of all, I named this field as Chris, and the value that's currently in the field is 56. So if you go to Visual Basics, you go to Alt F11, and then you see this. And first of all, you need to click the sheet where the Visual Basic code is going to be used. Right click, insert, and then insert the module. I already inserted a module, and that's module 1. If you double click on it, you see my codes. This is Visual Basic codes. I have sub, name of the code, open bracket, close bracket. Actual code starts with if range, and then Chris value. If the Chris's value is more than 100, or if the Chris value is less than 18, then message box. And here you type whatever you want the error message to be. I wrote please enter correct age, and then end if, end sub. And that's what it is. If you go back to Excel, you click Excel button, and you see 56. Let's see if error message will show up if I type in 102. For the Visual Basic to work, you have to use tools, macros, and then that's my macro, age, which I named in the sub. And then click run, and error message showing up. Please enter correct age. Okay, what if it's less than 18? 11. Tools, macros, run. Error message showing up. Okay, what if we enter correct age? 57. Tools, macros, run. No error message. So this proves that our error message is working, and that's how you create error messages using Visual Basic in Excel. I'm Amar Second. Thank you for watching.